G'day everybody, it's Bouncer. You know, Bouncer. I'm at the top of the world. Down under, Australia, you know what I mean? Anyway, welcome back to a little bit more paracording. What I thought I might do is show you guys just easily how to prep and work with your paracords, because if you don't burn them off and what they call singe them, you're going to get really frayed. And you won't be able to use them. So, firstly, now this is another thing that I do. You might try this, might not. But the distance between my nose and my fully outstretched arm, which is out there, just off camera shot, is actually 1 metre. Just over 3 feet. Or 3 feet. So what I do is I take it like this and put it on my nose, mark it, and cut it. And that's 1 metre, or just 3 feet. See how it frays? See how the inner cords come out? Well, the way you stop that is you take your lighter and you very carefully melt them down . And if they catch on fire, just blow them out. So that's how you singe an end. Now, it's going to be a little tricky what you can do. Wet your fingers. I don't advocate doing this if you don't like getting your fingers a little hot, and you will occasionally burn yourself. It's just part and parcel of the game. So there you go. That isn't going to fray anymore. And here's another end I prepared earlier. Right? There's another end I prepared earlier. That's not going to fray anymore. What have I got here? That end's done. That end isn't. Okay. Singe it down. Now, you see how I'm not letting your heat get too close to it. That means that you don't end up burning the plastic. Now, in certain situations, like when you're using light coloured paracords, whites, much like that, you can actually melt white so that it stays pretty much white. But let it cool just for a second, and then let that one go a little too long. But that's okay, see? Now, if you heat that up and you let it catch on fire, which is okay, you can do that, it can burn a little bit, just don't drip it anywhere and set anything else on fire. It will obviously turn black. Now, in situations where you want to use a black, when you're joining something or when you're finishing something off, then that's good too. Saves you having to use a texter later. So there you go. Singeing paracord. Really basic skills. That's one of the major ones. Number one, pretty much, after cutting.